Did you know that there's a brand new AI tool called Nano Banana that's now integrated directly into Dzine, and it can literally transform any selfie or photo of yourself into stunning professional looking thumbnails and profile pictures in just minutes. And the crazy part is you don't need any photo editing experience to use it. Creating professional photos of yourself for thumbnails and social media feels super complicated and expensive. Most of us struggle with photos that don't look polished enough for our personal brand. But here's what changed everything for me. I discovered that Dzine now has Nano Banana integrated right into their platform, which means you can transform and perfect your photos all in one place. Nano Banana, which literally just launched, can transform any photo into different styles and looks, while Dzine's other tools perfect all the technical details. We're talking about thumbnail-worthy photos that look like they came from a professional studio. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through my complete step-by-step process for using Nano Banana inside Dzine to transform your photos, then using Dzine's other amazing tools to perfect them for thumbnails, profile pictures, and social media. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to transform any photo of yourself into something amazing. And honestly, you're going to be obsessed with how simple this process actually is. Let's jump right into step 1. Okay, you guys, the first step is getting into Dzine and finding the brand new Nano Banana feature that's now integrated right into the platform. When I first discovered that Nano Banana was integrated into Dzine, I was literally so excited. Instead of switching between different tools, I could now transform my photos and perfect them all in one place. It made my entire photo editing workflow so much smoother and faster. Here's exactly how to access Nano Banana in Dzine. Create your Dzine account. Go to dzine.ai and create your account. You can use the link in my description. Once logged in, explore the main dashboard. Click Upload Image or New Project. Now we can choose the size of our photo. So choose the one that best suits your photos, or you can even choose your own sizes. For me, I'm going to use the 16:9 size and click on Apply. Select a clear photo of yourself from your computer. Make sure your face is well lit and visible. Don't worry if it's not perfect, we'll fix that. Find the Nano Banana feature. Look for AI Transform or Nano Banana in the editing panel. Click on it to access the transformation options. Access the chat editor. This is where you'll give commands for transformations. Make sure you're in the right mode for photo editing. Have your photo loaded and ready. Now, let's use Nano Banana's incredible AI transformation capabilities right inside Dzine to create professional headshot styles. This is where the magic really happens. I uploaded my casual selfie and used Nano Banana's commands to create a corporate headshot, a creative professional look, and even a cartoon photo with one click. Each transformation looked completely professional and polished, and I could see the changes happening right in Dzine. Here's how to create professional headshot styles with Nano Banana corporate headshot transformation. In the chat editor, type transform this into a professional corporate headshot style with perfect lighting. Click generate and watch Nano Banana work its magic. Transform into an executive leadership headshot style with authoritative presence. Creates a confident, successful business leader. Look perfect for about pages and professional websites. Finally, let's create a professional and creative look. Create a modern and creative professional photo with artistic lighting and confident expression. This gives you a more contemporary and creative feel. Ideal for designers, marketers, or content creators. Save your transformations. Each transformation will appear in your Dzine workspace. Using Nano Banana inside, Dzine gives you professional headshots without leaving the platform. Let's use Nano Banana's transformation power to create different expressions that are perfect for YouTube thumbnails and social media content. This is honestly my favorite feature. I use Nano Banana and Dzine to create thumbnail versions with excited, surprised, confident, and friendly expressions. Having these different expressions means I always have the perfect thumbnail photo for any type of content, and they all look natural. Here's how to create thumbnail perfect expressions using Nano Banana in Dzine. To begin with our first thumbnail, we are going to create an enthusiastic face. But what I like to do before starting is to remove any background so that I can focus just on the expressions. So I'm going to click on Remove Background. And now we can add our prompt. Use transform this into an excited, enthusiastic expression, perfect for YouTube thumbnails. Great for tutorial and exciting announcement videos. And for the expression of surprise, you can try create a surprised, amazed expression with wide eyes for reaction thumbnails, perfect for reaction videos, shocking revelations, or surprising content. And finally, for expressions of doubt, you can try using a prompt with a face that looks doubtful or is thinking very seriously. Great for teaching videos and informational content, creates an authoritative but approachable look. View all your thumbnail expressions in Dzine's workspace. Save your favorites for different content types. Create a library of expressions for future use. Having multiple thumbnail expressions ready in Dzine means you're always prepared for any content. Now let's use Dzine's other amazing tools to enhance and perfect your Nano Banana transformations. After creating my perfect transformations with Nano Banana, I discovered that Dzine's other tools could make them even better. Here's how to enhance your Nano Banana transformations with Dzine's other tools. Select your Nano Banana result. It should already be in your Dzine workspace. Click on it to select it for further editing. Use upscaling for higher resolution. Look for upscale or enhance resolution in Dzine's tools. Click it to increase your photo's resolution. Choose the highest quality setting available. This makes your photos crisp for any platform. Now we can change facial details with the expression edit tool. Here we can change any facial detail with precision. For example, if we want them to smile more, we can do this very easily with just one click, and then we can add it to the canvas. And finally, we also have the face swap tool in case we want to try another image of ourselves in the same design we already have with this tool. We can do this by simply clicking on this option, uploading the photo we want to replace it with, clicking on target face, and then just clicking on the generate button. Make sure everything looks natural and professional. Save your perfected photo. Dzine's enhancement tools take your Nano Banana transformations to the next level. Finally, let's explore some of Nano Banana's more advanced features within Dzine to create unique, creative versions of your photos. I was amazed when I discovered all the creative things Nano Banana could do right inside Dzine. I transformed my regular selfie into a painted portrait style, a modern digital art version, and even a cartoon illustration style. Each one was perfect for different creative projects and gave my brand such a unique look. Here's how to create artistic versions using Nano Banana's advanced features in Dzine. For a cartoon style, in Nano Banana's chat editor, use transform this photo into a beautiful cartoon style while keeping facial features accurate. Creates an elegant artistic version perfect for creative branding. Great for artists, designers, or creative professionals. Create a modern digital art version with vibrant colors and artistic flair. Perfect for social media profiles and creative content. Gives you a unique contemporary look, object and element changes. Change the book I have in my hand for a cup of tea, or change my t-shirt for a pink suit. Nano Banana can modify specific elements of your photo. Save your creative library. Keep all your creative transformations in Dzine. Organize them by style or intended use. Build a complete library of different looks. Nano Banana's advanced features in Dzine give you unlimited creative possibilities. Now, I know some of you might be feeling a little overwhelmed with all these features, especially since Nano Banana is so new and integrated into Dzine. And that's totally normal. When I first started using these integrated tools, I felt the same way. But here's the truth, having everything in one platform actually makes it easier because you don't have to switch between different apps. If you can upload a photo and type simple commands, you can create professional looking photos of yourself. Now, let me put this in perspective for you. Hiring a professional photographer for headshots would typically cost anywhere from $200 to $800 per session. And that's just for basic photos. If you wanted multiple styles, expressions, and backgrounds, you'd be looking at thousands of dollars. With Dzine's integrated Nano Banana features, you get access to professional level photo editing and AI transformation capabilities for less than what you'd pay for a single photo shoot. Plus, you can edit unlimited photos whenever you need them. I know that many of you now think my photos aren't good enough to start with, but actually, that's exactly when these AI tools shine the most. I've seen incredible transformations from photos that people thought were terrible. Nano Banana can fix lighting issues, improve expressions, and enhance details in ways that seemed impossible just a few years ago. Don't let imperfect starting photos hold you back. And here's what you can do right after watching this video. Go to Dzine and create your free account using the link in my description, then grab your best selfie and try out the Nano Banana integration I've shown you. Don't wait until you have the perfect photo because these tools can make any photo look amazing. Remember, your personal brand is one of your most valuable assets in today's digital world, and professional photos are the foundation of that brand. Every successful content creator and entrepreneur invests in looking their best online, and now you have access to the same quality of photo editing that they use, but with cutting edge AI technology that makes it faster and easier than ever before. If you want to know what else you can create and start making money online with, you can watch my video 3 digital products you can create in Canva and sell today. The link is in my description. I'm so excited to see the amazing photo transformations you create with Dzine and Nano Banana. Don't forget to tag me when you share your before and after results. I absolutely love seeing your success stories and celebrating your wins with you. And if you have any questions along the way, drop them in the comments below. If you like the video, don't forget to like it and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in another video. Have a great day.